Hello, I'm Shemen and I'm part of the high performance program at Alexander Academy. I'm currently in grade 12 and I'm a football player. Being part of the high performance program was really convenient for me. My teachers allowed me to leave classes early because of the high demand club set, and as well as assignments were pushed back for me due to how busy I was. If I needed any extra help, the teachers were always there for me. I think that benefited me in my school life as well. During English, my teacher, Mr. Todd, helped me out with an assignment that was a bit overdue. Due to the high performance program, he was able to push that back a little bit for me and offer more help to me after school. This summer, I got offered a professional contract, but as a backup, I got offers from D1 American universities and as well as University of Toronto. Coming to Alexander Academy really helped me get higher marks in my grades, which eventually allowed me to apply to top-end universities as well as keeping a high level of performance. When I was doing online school at my previous club, I noticed that I was kind of slacking and my focus wasn't really there due to all the stuff around me. So coming to Alexander Academy really helped me develop my focus, find a good balance between my education and football.